I'm Steve Valbrecht, the airport manager here at Marshalltown, and today we're having our airport open house hosted by Marshalltown Aviation, the local Experimental Aircraft Association, and the Matins Kiwanis. And today we're cooking pancakes, raising money for the Matins Kiwanis, and we've invited airplanes from all over the Midwest to come in and have breakfast at Marshalltown today. And also, we're typically out of sight, out of mind for people in Marshalltown. We're 5 miles north of town, and a lot of people don't have a reason to come out, and when they do, all of these airplanes are in the hangar. Today's a chance to get them all out and let everybody see what their airport is. It's an airport for the citizens of Marshalltown, and today we get to show it off.
1940. So it's 28 years old now.
Okay, well, my name's Stephen Fuller, flight paramedic. I've been with Air Care for over 27 years. It's a lot different than being in the ground ambulance, just because of a lot of it because of the room that we have to work with in here, and of course the types of patients that we get are usually the sickest of the sick, or the most injured people that you can imagine is what we fly with. We do have a lot more skills usually, like we can do some small surgical skills. You know, if we need to, we carry a lot of different types of drugs that they don't normally carry on ground ambulances, and of course we get it around quite fast. This helicopter here travels about 150 miles an hour. And one nice thing about it, we don't have to worry about stop signs or curves or anything like that. We go from point A to point B as like the crow flies, as straight as possible. So it's pretty fast. So
that night we actually went out.
Anything else?
Made a place.
No.
Okay.
So having to go pick up a patient and then go back to your main place. And it's sort of an ambulance going one way.
Right. Usually, you can, if you know how long it goes by ambulance, you can cut that in half very easily. I know, like for us, where we're based in Waterloo, it only takes us about 30-35 minutes to go from Waterloo to Iowa City, whereas by a ground ambulance, it takes anywhere from an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half to get there. So the out-of-hospital time is cut down quite a bit.
You gotta stay on this seat.
So, which can make a difference in how the patient turns out. So, it makes some difference. And of course, some of the stuff that we transport is time sensitive too, like strokes or heart attacks, where time is of the essence, and when they need to get from where they're at to a hospital that can take care of their condition. So a lot of stuff we do or that we transport is time sensitive stuff. So especially like somebody that's got a stroke or a head bleed, there's a certain window of opportunity there that they need to get somewhere where before they start having really big problems. So get to where they can get definitive care and get the recovery process started. So.
So beautiful.
Okay.
Is it beautiful in there? Okay, stay there. No, you want to